Sohtrun lolong wini je so basyam haban bam bu ni so lon rai jin sarong ya thamri bhoi hadien bu president ke All Indian Congress Committee AICC Rahul Gandhi ului amat aswa bu ni kjat ikha jingalang hanong po upte no elam bakli du AICC ului thu ya gani ke jingalang jong party congress balapin bit yang daga Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC haka arfu atrek lan kon aja afsa maran NSCA hapams im nong po nak bayro ru bo Sohtrun makari Bhoi kelapun mi ulong sisau patiang bo singam rai Henry lo benyau pa de bo Balei ni jai so mi nakani ke jaka omsim lo pni yo u Kiwei ki jelah kari parwat sadu London New York Tokyo bat Kiwei ki benta jong kiri ke Pyrthei ka ba kibreo la kin yo amat kin sem bo long so bo pher bo bede bo yo ki jingaro lo penrap du do bo bu jing kli parwat jing sa bo Balei omla bo pni yo sa kleng kiri ke Pyrthei yau ni marap bo tiang tam wa pau sai ko long bakade ki jing duna ba jing ko trekam ha ka jaka ban thau ki lat ban kintiu kar rep karyang ba kintiu ri ki no rep ki baju kamai jak po khadu e long bu de supai wa trekam Delhi bar kum supai unirap ik pai ba la lagi dan kam ki lat jeram khang ban kintiu ki kam pan roy ha kamai ka ji jungki.
Today when we were driving here we stopped and tasted some of your pineapples.
Mene abangi wan sane nila sange bat nila bam kat ko kat ne Sohtrun jong jala jompi.
There was a daughter and a mother who was selling the pineapples on the side of the road.
Kadon kawai ka kemi rengkat bat ka khun ka jongka ki bayadi Sohtrun harut surok.
In my entire life I have never had such a delicious pineapple.
Silanter jingim jonga ngam patmat Sohtrun ubatiang kumutu bamene.
In fact, immediately after I had it, I called up my mother and I said, I'm bringing some of the best pineapple in the world to you.
Hadin mangala abam ulafoni ime jamu uang bangan sawanra Sohtrun yupiru Sohtrun ubatiang tam Pyrthei lese.
So two or three small questions. One, why isn't the best tasting pineapple in the world available to the entire world?
Tang baka jingli kalong kene. Balei Sohtrun ubatiang ha Pyrthei. Balei umla balei Kiwei pat ki benta jong Pyrthei.
Why is the best pineapple in the world not being sold in London, New York, Tokyo, in these places?
Balai udah Sohtrun ubatiang tam ha Pyrthei amla bandi ha London ha New York bat Kiwei ki jaka.
And why are the farmers and that mother and daughter not benefiting from the sale of your pineapples to the rest of the world?
Balai kini ki shikmi shikun ka kemi bat ka kun kim yo nong nakabadi Sohtrun sakil bani Kiwei ki benta jong Pyrthei.
Because we have not, or the infrastructure has not been developed to send that pineapple to the rest of the world.
Let's say kadau kalong ba amdam ka jing penbit penbiang banpa ai kini ki Sohtrun ki jongi Kiwei ki benta jong Pyrthei.
The entire population of Meghalaya can become wealthy on what you produce here.
Kinong song jong kari India jong ka jela Meghalaya kila ban ruspa tang na ki marrep ki bapipin mi na kane ka jela.
You gave me oranges, I haven't tasted them yet, but I am convinced that they will be among the best oranges in the world.
Kila ayana ki Sohtrun ngampari olat ban bam handrai ngai udah uso nyamtra ubatiang tam ka Pyrthei.
And I think it is important that we develop a vision for Meghalaya that achieves some of these things.
Ban ngai ni dei ban thau kalat kalanti kumno ban panpoi kini ki jing angnut ki jongi hangne hapo Meghalaya.
I want to conclude by saying I am your soldier in Delhi.
Ngakwa ban penkut de ka baong ngadai usiwai jong fi ha Delhi.